And as a chemical process engineer, we are the first person to know the hazards of a plant, because we choose and we design the process, we select or we get involved with the selection of the raw materials, and we know what are the products. So it's not the electrical engineer, it's not the mechanical engineer, the first person to identify the hazards that may have a process may have. Is the chemical process engineer. If I need to choose a solvent to do absorption, and it is the chemical process engineer that will do that. It's not the instrumentation engineer. If we have some kind of flammables gas in the process and the minimum level, explosive level, who wants to know which is it is the chemical process engineer, not the mechanical engineer. What we do is inform to the other disciplines the risks involved, and based on that, they will be able to fill and develop their deliverables.